morning, children. We have already read about the globe in your last class, and now today we are going to read about some imaginary lines. How they all are helpful to us. First of all, axis. What is the meaning of axis? An imaginary line which connects the Earth North Pole and South Pole. An imaginary line which connects the Earth North Pole and South Pole is called axis. Suppose this is your globe and this one is your imaginary line. This one is your North Pole and this part is the South Pole. So this imaginary line connects the Earth North Pole and South Pole. This one is your imaginary line. What? Axis. This one is your imaginary line which connects the Earth North Pole and South Pole, is called axis. Next, we are going to read about equator. What is equator? This one is also another imaginary line, and this imaginary line divides the Earth into two equal halves. That means what? An imaginary line which equally divides the Earth into two equal halves is called equator. This one is equator. So, next, what is the meaning of North Pole? Listen, we have already discussed about two things, that is axis and equator. This one is our axis which connects the Earth North Pole and South Pole. This one is axis. Next, this one is equator which divides the Earth into two equal halves or two equal parts. That is called equator. Now, what is North Pole? See this part, the top part of the Earth. The top part of the Earth is known as North Pole. What? The top part of the Earth is called North Pole, and the bottom part of the Earth is known as South Pole. This one is our North Pole and this one is our South Pole. Okay. Next, North Pole and South Pole, and after that, Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. What is Northern Hemisphere and what is Southern Hemisphere? First, see, this one is your equator line and this part is your North Pole. This one is equator line, this part is North Pole. Like that, the opposite of the North Pole is South Pole. We know it. See how you can easily identify the Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. First of all, equator. The area which lies between equator to North Pole. See, this part, North Pole, this part, and this one is our equator. So, the distance or the area which lies between equator to North Pole. The area, this part, the area which lies between equator and North Pole is called Northern Hemisphere. That means what? From equator to North Pole, this part is our Northern Hemisphere. See this one. This part is known as Northern Hemisphere. And after that, from equator to South Pole, this part is our Southern Hemisphere. From equator to South Pole is known as what? Southern Hemisphere. How can you define it? The area which lies between equator to South Pole. The area which lies between equator to South Pole is called Southern Hemisphere. So, all these are the imaginary lines. Axis, equator, then North Pole, South Pole. So, all these are very important for us to locate a particular place, ocean, lakes, etc. Okay, now we are going to read about continents. What is the meaning of continent? Large land area. Large land area. That part is known as continents. Large land masses are called continents. Land masses, that means what? भूखंड यानी जमीन का एरिया, जो बहुत बड़ा बड़ा जमीन का एरिया रहता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? कॉन्टिनेंट. सम कंट्री मेक्स ए कॉन्टिनेंट. Remind this point. Some country makes a continent. Okay. Listen, there are 7 continents in the world. First one is Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. These are our continents. There are total 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. In this Asia, this one is our biggest part. This one is our biggest continent, and the smallest continent is Antarctica. Sorry, Australia is, yeah, Australia is the smallest continent. Asia is the largest continent, and Australia is the smallest continent. Remember this: Asia. This one is our largest continent, and Australia is the smallest continent. So you have to remember the name of the continents, which one is largest and which one is smallest. Now we are going towards the ocean. So what is ocean? At first we have to know about that. Ocean, large water bodies are called what? Oceans. So there are 5 oceans in the world, and we have to know about that. First one is Pacific Ocean. What? This one is our Pacific Ocean. Second one is our Atlantic Ocean. Third is Antarctic Ocean. Fourth is Arctic Ocean, and the last one is our Indian Ocean. See this. There are 5 oceans, and Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Again, there are 7 continents. Asia is the largest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. And in ocean, the Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean, and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Okay. Now, why we read all this? First of all, suppose if you want to locate Asia on the globe, then how can you easily locate it? By the help of some imaginary lines. And there are different types of imaginary lines, and we will read it in our next class. And how can you easily identify by the help of the other imaginary line, and what are they called? We will also discuss it. So first, this one is very important for you, and you will have to read about all these things. So equator, axis, north pole, south pole, the continents name, the ocean name, all these are very important, and you will have to read it in your home. And this one is homework for you also. And after that, we will go ahead in your next class. Okay children, bye bye.